Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add an email to your Pipedrive account. It's very easy and a necessary step. First things first, we have to go and basically go into mail, and as you can see, welcome to Pipedrive main. Unlock your sales inbox. What we have to do, we have to connect the email at the moment. So we have to go and click on, obviously, connect email. Now we are in email synchronization and we can add a new account. We will see if this works. If we going to add the one account that we basically logged in. Let's go with this one. We hit the email account or the Gmail account, but it doesn't have to be necessary Gmail account. It can be like any other. Then we hit continue. And as you can see, you need to give Pipedrive more permission when authenticating with your Google account to start email sync. Well, start it again. Let's, you know what? Let's go with my other account. No. We click sign in. And which emails should be synced? That means the synchronization is successful with the other one. All emails will be synced with Pipedrive, or only emails with certain labels will be synced with Pipedrive. Now, if we go with only, you have to basically pick the keywords or send or inbox or anything. Let's go with send. Sync starting from. Let's go with now. And but if you want to go with 1 month, you can also basically sync only the Pipedrive contacts or all people and all emails that you got. But let's go with now to simplify it a bit. And start syncing. As you can see, at the moment, the synchronization with my other account at az.sk is ready to go. So all we have to do is basically find the account and enjoy our synchronization. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Have a great day.